As you have said that you keep on learning and implementing, so I must mention here that we in Existence have our Existence Future Ready certification program that we call it AFRCP. We have started with the Agri Input course for the time being, and which is a comprehensive initiative designed by experienced industry professionals like Dr. Bakul Joshi, Mr. Ram Krishna Mudholkar, who is also the co-founder of Existence, and social scientists like me. It is to equip professionals in the agricultural input sector with essential skills and insights for success. So to give you a brief, this program is basically 21 days that covers 9 different modules focusing on various aspects of agri input industries. It's very holistically developed program, and through these targeted modules and lots of activities which are real world case study based, lots of assessment and evaluation, we aim to bridge the skill gaps and prepare participants to navigate the evolving landscape of agri input industry effectively. So this is something which we promote in Existence, and would also like to know that how important it has been, like this kind of networking and this kind of program is been important in the career, and how can women in agribusiness create and leverage this program and create more networks within this industry.
Thanks for the question, and thanks for letting me know so much in detail about this. I think I'm sure you have been working with multiple people, be it students or industry colleagues, and if it is helping them, it's really great to know. I would say, while you touched upon a very important aspect of networking, I would like to start with that networking has played a crucial role in my career. Building connections has opened up doors to opportunities, provided valuable insights, and allowed me to learn from others' experience, which is very, very essential because not everybody will have all sort of experiences, right? So the relationship formed through networking has been instrumental in both personal and professional growth. I think while you ask women in agribusiness, so I think they can create and leverage network by actively participating in industry events, conferences, workshop, and the other example which you have given, connecting with colleagues within the same industry if they are already working, mentors, leaders, allows for valuable insight and collaboration, which is very, very important for any leadership or any role in the organization. And I'm sure, as you're rightly saying, your platform, or there are a lot of online platforms specific to agribusiness, right, where they can have joint discussions and build relationship. And sharing experiences, seeking mentorship, engaging in networking events tailored to women, or maybe for this industry, in this field, can enhance visibility and create very supportive community for mutual growth. So I think everyone who is aspiring to go for the next role, to come in this industry, should really seek all this information and build this networking for sure to grow in their future.